How to enable iMessage on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you turn on or enable the iMessage on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From the app section, find out the application messages. After you find it, tap on that. From the section of messages, you'll have to scroll down and tap and toggle it on for the iMessage. After you tap on that, you'll be able to turn on the wireless feature of iMessage on your iPhone. Like you can set your any address for send and receive by tapping on the option. After you set the address of your iMessage, you'll be able to easily use and enable the iMessage feature on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.